Hello, குட்டி நண்பர்களே. Are you all ready to listen to a Panchatantra story? This time I have come up with very interesting story. Are you all ready? Let's dive into the story. ஆத்தங்கர மரமே அதில் இருக்கும் கிளியே, நாவல் மரக்கிளையே அதில் வசிக்கும் கூரங்கே. Yes, this monkey, Montu the monkey, lived in a tree. You know what tree it is? A jamun tree. What is jamun? Do you know? Naval palam. Okay, so this monkey lives in that jamun tree in a bank of a river. Okay, this monkey is very sharp-brained and also kind-hearted. Okay, it gives jamun to all his fellow friends. Okay, birds, rabbits, small animals. You know, some animals cannot climb the tree, isn't it? So our Monty the monkey will pluck the jamuns and give it to them, because monkey is expert in what? Climbing from here and there. Yes, from one branch to another branch. It will climb so easily. It can reach to the top of the tree. Yes, so he can pluck easily. So he will pluck and give to those small animals also. Okay, they all are enjoying the fruit. Okay, one sunny morning, it was too hot. The sun is not kind to us. It's very hot, it's sweating. Okay, that time the crocodile, okay, he also lives in same river, but on the other edge. Okay, he lives inside water. Okay, he also comes out. He can also live in the land. Yes, so one day he came near this jamun tree. He was so tired. Oh, என்ன இப்படி இருக்குது, ஐயோ ஏன் சன் இப்படி இருக்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, this crocodile was so tired and he felt hungry. He thought, I will take little rest under the jamun tree. So he was lying under the jamun tree. Our Monty, right? He is kind-hearted, right? So he plucked some jamuns and went to the crocodile and offered him. The crocodile was too happy to receive those fruits. If somebody gives something, what you should say? Yes, thank you. This crocodile also said, thank you, Monty. Yes, and they both became friends. Okay, good friends. So they will be enjoying playing here and there. Okay, like வெயிலோடு விளையாடி வெயிலோடு உறவாடி, like that they will sing songs and they will enjoy. Okay, one day our Monty gave some fruits to Crocky's wife. You give this to your wife, she will enjoy. Our Crocky also happily received and went to his wife and offered the jamun. See, I told you, no, my friend Monty, he gave this to you. Okay, she also enjoyed the fruit. It was so sweet. How was it? It was so sweet. Okay, she was thinking, if this jamun is this sweet, then what about the monkey's heart who is growing up eating this jamun? And she asked her husband, I want to eat that monkey's heart. What an heartless wish, right? The crocky told, no, 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 no. I won't kill my friend. But this wife, right? Crocky's wife, she was very adamant. She was insisting, no, 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 I want the monkey's heart. She was so adamant. Sometimes you will be adamant, right? I want this, I want that toy, I want this chocolate. Yes, you will be adamant to your parents, even in the shop. You should not. If it is good for you, parents will definitely get one for you. Okay? So you should not be adamant. But this crocky loves his wife. So he wanted to fulfill her wish. Okay? Then he went to Monty the monkey. He told, we want to give you a wonderful feast. Can you come with me? But the monkey said, how? I don't know to swim. Then how I will come? You are living inside the river. Then the crocodile said, don't worry. I will lift you in my back and I will take you. Okay? All set. The monkey sat on the back of the crocodile and the crocodile started swimming inside the river. Okay, and they were like, Mustafa, Mustafa, don't worry, Mustafa, Mulgada ship friendship. This monkey doesn't know it is going to mulgify. Yes, I mean it is going to drench in the water. Without knowing that, he was singing very nicely, enjoying the ride, crocodile ride. Suddenly, the crocodile started drowning inside the water. The monkey screamed, hey, Crocky, what are you doing? I told you no, I don't know swimming. Beginning itself. The crocodile now opened his mouth to say the truth. My wife wants to eat your heart, so I have to kill you. The monkey laughed. Hey Baba, why can't you tell this in the bank itself? I left my heart in the tree because I didn't want my heart to get drenched. So I kept it safely in the tree. Now I have to go there to get that heart. Then only your wife can eat. This foolish crocky, he accepted. He believed the Monty and took him back to the tree. Immediately, when they reached the bank, the Monty climbed to top of the tree and told, you foolish crocky, will anybody live without their heart? From now, our friendship is coming to an end. He told and climbed to next tree and all. The crocodile was very much disappointed. He returned, but he was very sad that he lost a good friend. You know, Kutis, what is the moral of the story? You should not believe everyone very easily. Okay? And another thing also, you should not betray your friend. If you commit a friendship, you should be true for them. Okay, Kutis? Bye-bye. Meet you with a next story.